Hey everybody, listen. October is Fire Prevention Month, Fire Awareness Month. This is the time of year that really we're supposed to focus on the threats in our homes for fires. So I want to remind everybody, change your smoke detector batteries, change your carbon monoxide batteries. If you don't have any of them installed in your home, please get them installed. The technology out there right now for smoke detectors, you can get a 2-in-1 where it's a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector. You can also get these smoke detectors that detect certain types of burning, right? Slow smoldering, stuff like that. So make sure your home has smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors installed. Make sure that the batteries are changed, all right, yearly. Make sure that's done. Make sure you have fire extinguishers in your home, the garage, the kitchen, those type of places. Make sure you have them. Make sure they're charged, they're accessible, they're not buried, and that they are in good working order, all right? And remember, it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. So having an extra fire extinguisher around never hurt anybody. The other thing I'm going to tell you is electrical safety. Use this opportunity to check and make sure that you don't have outlets that are being overdrawn, that you don't have too many things plugged into them, that your cords, extension cords, are the proper wire gauge, that they're not torn or cut, that they're not being taped together because they did get torn. Just watch those things, look for those things. One of the great things you can do right now, this is a great month to get your heating tune-up scheduled and an electrical inspection scheduled to make sure your home is safe and everything's operating as it should and there's no unseen dangers. So remember, fire safety, October, don't be a victim, be proactive, don't be reactive. Do it yourself, bring in somebody to do it for you, but stay safe.